Hey guys, in the previous video we talked about HTML entity characters. Okay, in this video I'm simply going to give you some other examples of character entities that you can, that you may need when working on your website creation. So we are going to talk about some symbols, like mathematical symbols, some currency symbols that you can display using the character entities. So let's start with the mathematical symbols. If you want to display the for all sign or symbol, you can choose to use the entity number or the entity name. Okay, so if you go for the entity name, you simply have to write for all like this. So semicolon. When you say for all, semicolon, it's going to display this symbol, right? But if you choose to use the number, you can say 8704 like this. And we can do that for the other. Another sign that would be like the partial differential. You can say 006. It's going to display that. So I'm going to do it just like this and then modify. What if you want to display, if you say 7 here, okay, this sign is the there exists sign. It's a mathematical sign. If you say 7, 8, okay, it does not exist. Say 9 here, it's going to say empty set, maybe 10, okay, say 11, 12, the element of 13, not an element of, okay? So you can play around these and display your elements like 14 to be like that, 15 here to display contains as member like this. So these are some of the mathematical signs that you can display. You can also go on the internet. You are going to have a full mathematical symbols reference that will give you the corresponding values or the corresponding number or entity names for you to display. Now let's also display some, if you want to display some Greek letters, we can still use, the entity numbers. Like you say 913 here. Let me remove this. It's going to display the Greek alpha, but you can use the entity name if you say apparent alpha like this. See, you still have the alpha sign, and then you can say beta, alpha, beta. You have your beta sign like this. You can have your gamma sign, and then delta, epsilon, and zeta. Okay, so this is how you display using the entity name, but you can also write the corresponding entity number. So here is going to be number 918. This one will be number 1917. This one will be number 916. This will be number 915. This will be number 914. And then this will be number 913, like this. So these are some Greek alphabet letters. You have your alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, and zeta. On the internet as well, you will find a full list of Greek alphabet letters, list of references. So in this video is just examples. I'm just showing you that you can display these particular symbols or characters or letters. Let's now talk about some other entities or some other symbols that you can display. We already talked about displaying the copyright sign or symbol. If you say like this, copy, it will display the copyright symbol. Yeah, there you have it. If you say like register, reg, it will display the register, the trademark symbol. The register, oh no, if you want to display the trademark, so you say trade like this. You see, trademark. What if you want to display the left arrow? You say LARR like this. Yeah, you have the left arrow. As you know, if you want the right arrow, that will be RARR, RARR like this. Okay, and then the down arrow. So logically, it's going to be DARR. And then the up arrow, logically again, it's going to be UARR. Okay, you see. So that's basically that. What if you want to display the black spade? You will simply come and say spades. Yeah, so you see, here you can say hearts. It's gonna display, like this. You can say clubs. Yeah, there you have it. And then diamonds. So here in diamond, you simply say dimes like this. And there you have it. So here we've used entity names. What if we use the entity numbers? Like here, as usual, you can say that this one will be 9830. Okay, this here will be 9820. That was the club's 27. Hearts will be 9829, I guess. Yes. And then spades will be 9824. Yeah. So we can still use entity numbers as well for these ones. And as I'm saying that since the beginning, you can go on the internet and have a list of these other entities supported by HTML and get the corresponding entity name, the corresponding entity number in order to display them on your web page if needs be. That's it. We can also display currency signs. You see, like if you want to display a euro, for example, you will come here and say euro. It's going to display the euro sign. Um, if you want to display the pound, so here you will say pound like this. You can say yen. You see, like if you want to display the cent, like you say cent like this. You see that? So that's how you can do that. Even with these ones, you can also have the corresponding entity number for the cents. It's number 162 like this. For the yen, maybe number 165. This is number 163. And for euro, we will have number 8364. Okay, if you say, oh yeah, like this. Okay, so these are the symbols that you can display that are supported. And as I said, if you want the exhaustive list of all the symbols supported by HTML, you can find this list on the internet. You will get the corresponding entity name and entity number for you to display on your web page. So guys, I hope the video was once again informative, and feel free to like this video. And also, if you have a question, we can continue the discussion in the comment section. And as for this one, we're going to end it here. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Let's meet in the next video.